Security cameras are an essential part of keeping a business safe, and it's all too common for cleaning companies to be asked to clean this equipment while on the job. But for a small, delicate camera, window cleaning brushes pose potential damage to the lens or glass. The Streamline Dragonfly CCTV kit is a perfect solution for keeping business surveillance systems clean and maintained. The Dragonfly CCTV kit comes complete with the iconic over 8 pole at a length of your choosing, providing either the perfect starter kit for new cleaning businesses or as a lightweight, space-saving supplement for established cleaning companies. With a smaller, more delicate but concentrated area of cleaning, you can be certain that cameras will be left spotless without damaging the glass. Talk to Streamline today about whether the Dragonfly CCTV kit is the solution you need.